Hello everyone. I just randomly took a data set from Kaggle for a Myntra, that is an e-commerce company that just you can go and shop different things and products on that. So it was kind of a data set was around of a 10 lakh rows data set. So as I'm a data analyst, engineer and data scientist, so I just like to play with different technologies and analyze different industries or what is happening with different kind of data and different domains. I did a pretty much good analysis of that Myntra dataset. So as I took started my analysis, I found that some of the rows were duplicate. So I removed and cleaned the data set first. So removed that duplicate rows, and then some of the columns I didn't want, like they are useless columns, like some of the, if it, they are not useless actually, but it is not according to what my use case was. So I was not talking about any image kind of things, but that data sets also included the URL of that image, that particular product image on the Myntra website. So I removed those columns, and actually the that URL of the post or the product link where it is already just on the Myntra website. So I removed those columns. So if we look at some great analytics of the Myntra dataset that I saw, that was Sachet. Uh, say just sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong, but that is a brand with there's a bracelet attached to that brand, which is the most expensive. It is around 2,75,000, and I think no rating is there. No one has ever bought it from there. And the least is hair color, that is awesome. So the other columns that data set contains is of price, discount and rating of the people. So that is a straight question that we can think of, does that price and discount actually just relate to any kind of rating that a person or a customer gives to a product? So that I did some statistical test on that. So what does that, before doing any relation test between two columns, we check that that is a normal distribution of not the columns or the continuous variables that we are having. So that is a of normal distribution or not. So some statistical tests were done, and that it came out to be in my data set, that what kind of data set I had. So the data was not normal distributed, so it took different kind of a statistical test for the relation between two columns. So it found that some of the findings I got, I'm just attaching a link of the Kaggle notebook that you can see. But overall the things were great, the analysis was great. So came to know about some latest dynamic pricing models that e-commerce companies take, and how do they customize, like segment the customer database, or they do the customer segmentation of the customers based on their buying, like a buying pattern, or what are the trend that they are saying. And they can also change the price at different times according to a trends or the seasonality issues, or if there any kind of news that is related to a particular product, so they can increase or decrease. Or some, if there are any change in the taxation or some GST rates on a particular category of a product, then also they can change the prices. So these things I came to know about, and there was a pretty good analysis. You must watch into it. And I'm going to do more research on e-commerce companies. If you like this talk, then you can just join me and subscribe, but it's all up to you. So I think in future you are gonna see much more analysis and more data sets and more insights from that regarding all these things in e-commerce space. So thank you and have a very nice day.